Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry class. This is Amit Kumar. Today I will discuss about the preparation method of haloarenes and haloalkanes. So students, see here the preparation methods of haloalkanes. Clear? So first we talk about the preparation methods of haloalkanes. So before going to preparation method, the one important point for you, see the nature of alkyl halide. See the nature of alkyl halide, that means carbon bond with halogen. So students, what is the nature of this carbon and halogen bond? So students, remove the some elements like hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur and fluorine. So these are the common elements. The electronegativity for the hydrogen almost 2.1, carbon 2.5, nitrogen 3.0 and oxygen 3.5 and sulfur almost 3.2 and fluorine 4.0. So students, if we are taking the fluorine atom which is the part of halogen group, clear? So what is the nature of this bond? So nature means it is polar and non-polar nature. So if the electronegativity difference between 0.0 to 0.5, that means the character is non-polar. If the electronegativity difference between 0.6 to 2.0, so that means the character is polar. So students, we talk about the carbon and fluorine nature bond. So in this case, you see here carbon and fluorine. So students, which one having the maximum electronegativity in this series? So fluorine is maximum 4.0 minus, what about the carbon electronegativity? 2.5. So that means you will get 1.5. So that means in this case you will get the 1.5 value, which is the difference of electronegativity of the fluorine and carbon atom. So this is the difference of the electronegativity lie between this range. So that means the nature of alkyl group is polar. So polar compound means generally more stable as compared to non-polar. Now we will discuss about the preparation methods of haloalkanes with the help of alcohols. So how to prepare alkyl halides or haloalkanes with the help of alcohol. So students, so generally alcohol formula is like ROH. So R means alkyl group. If your alkyl group react with HCl in presence of ZnCl2, clear? So the reaction will happen here RCl plus H2, clear? For the haloalkanes, that means carbon bond with halogen. That is the meaning of simple haloalkanes. So this is the preparation method of haloalkanes from the alcohols. Now come to the next reaction. If we react with alcohol with the help of NaBr plus H2SO4. So students, what is the final product in this reaction? So first of all, you break NaBr, so you will get the Na positive and Br negative, which is cation and anion. Same for the H2SO4, you will get H plus and HSO4 negative. So in this case, this negative attack on this positive and this negative attack on this positive. So formally you will get NaHSO4 plus HBr, and rest of the alcohol is here, so that means ROH. Clear? So in the first reaction HCl we use with the in the alcohol, so we'll get RCl. If we are use RBr, then we will get RBr plus H and OH means H2 and NaHSO4 is there. So in this equation you learned this type of concept. First you break the cation and anion formation, then you will get the byproduct, and finally you will get the main product of this reaction. Now come to the next reaction. Whenever alcohol react with phosphorus chloride, or you can say phosphorus halide, so I am writing here PCl3. So students, what is the product? Clear? So the target is formation of haloalkanes. So first you write the RCl, but if you want the byproduct in this reaction, so what is the concept? So students, see here, phosphorus react with oxygen. So students, we remember the concept of this reaction. If the phosphorus and oxygen is there, so two possibility will form like PO4 3 negative and PO3 3 negative. This name is phosphate and the another one name is phosphite. Clear? So if we react with this hydrogen, combine this phosphite, because the hydrogen charge is +1. So here the charge is +1 and here the charge is -3. If you are cross multiply to each other, you will get H3 PO3 1. So normally you will write H3 PO3. Clear? So if you are write the byproduct H3 PO3, so that means how much hydrogen is required for the balance? So 3. So but in this case only 1. So first you multiply 3. Clear? And after that, see here how much alkyl group? 3. But in this case only 1. So first you multiply 3 here. After that you can see here the how much Cl is there in this reaction? 3. Already 3 is there, that's why already balance. But in this case of the phosphorus, here 1, also in this case also 1, and how much oxygen? 3, and this one also 3. So you can easily prepare alkyl halide with the help of alcohol react with phosphorus trichloride. Clear? So this is the concept for this reaction. So concept is that whenever phosphorus react with oxygen, it will provide phosphate or phosphite. First you formation of the byproduct, then after that you will get the final answer for this reaction. Now come to the next reaction. Whenever alcohol react with phosphorus pentachloride. Clear? So phosphorus pentachloride means the target is that you first to prepare the alkyl halide. So alkyl halide formula is RCl, and we know the phosphorus atomic number is 15. So write the electronic configuration of in K11 series 2, 8 and 5. So phosphorus having the 5 valence electrons, so that's why phosphorus make maximum 5 bonds. So that's why the byproduct is POCl3, and H and Cl is there, so that's why HCl also is a byproduct in this case. If someone asks what is the structure of POCl3, so first you draw the structure of this molecule. So this is the structure of POCl3. The name is phosphoryl chloride. So come to the next reaction. Whenever alcohol react with SOCl2. What is the name of SOCl2? So in this the SOCl2 name is thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride. So whenever thionyl chloride react with alcohol, it will provide RCl plus sulfur oxygen also form the SO2 gas, and the byproduct also HCl. So it is very simple reaction and very important reaction. The last reaction is that from the alcohol, if your alcohol react with red phosphorus, clear? So whenever alcohol react with halides, under the red phosphorus, halides means like Br2, Cl2 gases. So it will provide Rx. X means here Br or Cl. So students, these are the preparation methods of the alkyl halides from the alcohol. I hope you understand.